Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Talk and Do Physics. In today's lesson, we have been hearing of echo. When somebody is talking, even somebody that does not know what means by echo. Today, as you are watching me, you are going to understand what we mean by echo, not even only physics. You out there viewing and watching me, you are going to understand what we mean by echo. Echo is a reflected sound from a smooth hard surface. That is what we mean by echo. So let's define it. Definition of echo. You underline it. That's how I want it. The reflected sound from a smooth hard surface. Full stop. That is the definition of a echo. As you are watching me, remember to share and subscribe and click at the button below, and this will interest me to do more interesting video. I've told you, you have been talking about echo. When somebody is shouting, the echo, the frequency, whatever. Today, I have made you to understand the definition of a echo. What am I saying the echo is? Echo is defined as the reflected sound from a hard, smooth surface. Now they're not asking you to calculate what do you ask to calculate? Determine the depth of the sea. Question 2b says what? The depth of the sea. Now they said, the question goes thus: a sound is transmitted vertically. A sound is transmitted vertically to the seabed at the speed of 2,800 meters. If the time taken to detect the echo, the reflected sound from the smooth hard surface, if the time taken to detect the smooth sound from a reflected hard surface is what? 0.5 seconds. Determine the depth of the sea. The formula is what? D depth equals to V T all over 2. This is the formula to determine the depth of the sea. Now, where do we have the velocity, the speed? The speed is here. Now say 2800 times. What is the time? Time is 0.5. 0.5. What next? All over 2. When you have this, 2,800 times 0.5 will give you 1400 all over 2. When you divide this cancels itself 1 into this, what? 700. This equals to 700 meter. That is the depth. Remember to share and subscribe, and this will interest me to do more interesting videos. Remember what I said is what? Echo. Echo is what? Echo is the reflected sound from a smooth hard surface. As you are going to watch another video, I will do a demonstration of how echo is transmitting vertically. Thank you.